This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
How to password protect your WordPress. So to do that, go to your WordPress page. Go to your WordPress site, and let's say you want to password protect this specific page, the projects page. So what you do is you edit your page, and you want to change the visibility from public to password protected. Use a secure password. So I'll just type a password, and it's good, and that's it. Okay, so now it's password protected, and I click update. Okay, so it's updated. So now, when someone goes to your website and they click on the projects page, it'll say, this content is password protected. To view it, please enter your password below. So then you enter your password and then click enter. And now they can view it. So that is how you password protect a WordPress page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.